guys, the Kitchen Fairy here. I hope you have been well. I haven't been sharing any videos lately. I've been busy preparing the house for winter, the backyard especially. So I've been sweeping a lot of dried leaves. Anyways, today I have a recipe that is basing on Hungarian two Hungarian goodies, which is Almas Pite and Turos Batyu. Almas Pite is square apple pie or slab apple pie that I often share the recipe. And Turos Batyu is cottage cheese parcel. Today I'm not using cottage cheese, just the filling of Almas Pite, and I shape it into Turos Batyu or Batyu. So this is Apple Parcels. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So what I have here is 300 milliliter of milk. You can use dairy or dairy-free or even water. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mine is half tablespoon each, so that would be 4 times. And then we're gonna add active dry yeast, 2 pouch, so that's 16 gram. Now we're gonna let it stand until soften. Now in a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of sugar with 500 gram strong baker's flour, and then we're gonna add 2 yolks, 50 milliliter of vegetable oil, and then just scramble it a little. And then we're gonna add in our softened yeast, and we're just gonna mix it. And you can also add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Once the dough is formed, we're just gonna cover it with cling wrap, and then we're gonna let it rest while we prepare the filling. Once apple is peeled and grated, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Once filling is ready, we're gonna dump our dough onto working surface and we're gonna roll it flat. So just roll it flat to rectangular. Now once rolled, we're just gonna slice it with our pizza roller. Like so, and then this way too. There we go. And then we're gonna place the filling in the center. So enough filling. We also want to squeeze out the juice. You just place filling, and repeat this step until all dough has filling on their center. If you don't want to squeeze out the juice much, you can use spoon. But if you want to squeeze out the juice, the problem with not squeezing out the juice, sometimes it becomes too wet. Once filled, you want to pull from this side and attach it to this side, and from this side attach it to this side, making a parcel. So like so, and you want to twist the center and then pull this one. Sorry, I'm using only one hand to the center, and then the other to the center, and your parcel is done. Now you can brush the top with beaten yolk or just milk or the leftover egg white, but I like brushing this juice for my parcel. This is like waste nut, one nut. So again, you can brush it with egg yolk, milk, beaten egg white, or the juice of the apples. Oven's ready. We're gonna bake it until golden brown. Preheated 350 Fahrenheit. Parcels are done. We're just gonna cool it before we serve it.